Students, today we complete the chemical properties of aniline. In unit nitrogen containing organic compounds. In previous class also we studied their chemical properties. Now we take a chemical reaction for the formation of phenylthiourea. So it reaction named reaction with carbon disulfide. The formula of carbon disulfide is CS2. Here twice molecule of aniline C6H5 NH2 and C6H5 NH2 react with carbon disulfide. Its structural or bond formula is C double bond S and double bond S. React with one another in the presence of caustic potash solution KOH. It's substituted water molecule and potassium sulfide and make C6H5 NH, C6H5NH, single bond and single bond, because here bond of C and S are break to form C double bond S. This product is known as diphenylthiourea. Diphenylthiourea. It is also represented by the structural formula of aniline. Here twice molecule of aniline react with carbon disulfide. C double bond S and double bond S. In the presence of caustic potash KOH, it subtracted twice molecule of H2O and K2S, potassium sulfide, to form diphenylthiourea. The structure of diphenylthiourea is C double bond S, single bond, NH and phenyl. Now next reaction is a reaction with Grignard reagent. Aniline C6H5NH2 react with ethyl magnesium bromide C2H5 MgBr, because the formula of Grignard reagent is RMgX. So in R ethyl magnesium metal becomes bromine. It reacts with one another to form alkanes. C2H5 alkyl group conjugated with a single hydrogen to form C2H6. This product is known as ethane. It is then the product of alkanes. So we say that when amines react with Grignard reagent, then they make alkanes. And subtracted C6H5NH MgBr. Also we completed this reaction in their structural formula. Aniline C6H5NH2 and Grignard reagent C2H5 MgBr. It subtracted alkane C2H6 and plus C6H5 NH MgBr. Also we shown their structure in their bond formula. Now next reaction is known as oxidation of aniline. Students, you know that oxidation reactions are completed with nascent hydrogen. So this reaction is completed with presence of sodium dichromate. Its formula is Na2Cr2O7 in acidic medium H2SO4. When aniline is oxidized C6H5NH2, then it makes para-benzoquinone. So the formula of para-benzoquinone is given as double bond O in normal position and double bond O in their para position. This product is known as para-benzoquinone. It is the oxidation product of aniline. Now next reaction is named diassociation. In this reaction, aniline reacts with HCl and nitrous acid to form diazonium salt. So this one is known as diassociation. Reaction is given as, first we take a reaction where we studied how can we produce the nitrous acid. So you know that sodium nitrate NaNO2 react with HCl, then it makes HNO2, a single hydrogen atom, react with nitro group NO2 to form HNO2 and subtracted sodium chloride NaCl. Then aniline C6H5NH2 react with HCl and HNO2 nitrous acid to form diazonium salt, because two nitrogen atoms are conjugated with one another and also take Cl for the completing of their valency, and total 4 hydrogen atoms, 2, 3 and 4, and 2 oxygen atoms make water molecule. So here twice H2O plus gives diazonium salt. Formula is C6H5N2Cl. This product is known as diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt. So this reaction is known as diassociation. Also its structural reaction is given as C6CH5NH2 plus HCl plus HNO2 react with one another to form benzene diazonium salt and triple bond NCl and substituted water molecule. Students, now we goes on to discuss about the benzene ring subtraction reaction of aniline. Here we take a reaction named halogenation. This type of reactions are completed with chlorine, bromine and iodine. Then they are specially named for chlorine chlorination, for bromine bromination and for iodine iodination. So here we take reaction with bromine. So also it is known as a reaction with bromine. This one is known as bromination. Aniline C6H5NH2 react with bromine. This reaction is ring subtraction reaction. So we also gives their structural formula. The structural formula of aniline is C6H5NH2. It reacts with bromine Br2. Then it subtracted their hydrogen atoms, position number 2, 4 and 6. So 3 hydrogen atoms subtracted with bromine to form HBr, hydrogen bromide. Thrice molecule of hydrogen bromide. And bromine varies the position 2, 4, 6. Then total number of bromine atoms are 6 and the structural formula of product is C6H5NH2 per 2 position Br and 4 position Br and 6 position Br. Then it is known as 2, 4, 6 tri-bromo-aniline, and this product is also known as TBA. So an important question for you: how can you make TBA from aniline? So this ring reaction proves that we make TBA from aniline. Now another chemical property is named sulfonation. You know that the sulfonation reactions are completed with sulfuric acid. So we also say that a reaction with H2SO4 when aniline C6CH5NH2 react with sulfuric acid, also we write it SO3H and OH. In para position, hydrogen subtracted water molecule H2 to form NH2, and on para position we get SO3H, sulfonic acid. Then it is named para amino benzene sulfonic acid. sulfonic acid. This reaction is known as sulfonation of aniline.